How to log into MyHR CVS Employee Portal. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in MyHR CVS Employee Login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. MyHR CVS, open it. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily access your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials of your account. So go ahead and type in the user ID. Type in your password. If you have forgotten your password or user ID, click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on log on, and just for that, you will be logged into your account. If you haven't created your account yet, click on this option of new user and register for your account. Well, this way you can easily log into MyHR CVS Employee Portal. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.